In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing an LED RGB aquarium light, so stick around, this is going to be really cool. Hey everybody, this is the Review Dad. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel.
Hello!
So what are we looking at here? So today I have got an LED RGB aquarium light. Now this one I have received is 19 inches or 48 centimeters long, so it's quite a wide-ish one. It also comes with a power cable which is around 87 inches or 2.2 meters, so that gives you some length if your tank is sitting on a table and that, so that's some good stuff there. It's also got 16 million vibrant colors, so that's pretty cool, and you'll see some of that action later on when I test it out with the remote or an app. And yes, you heard correct, it comes with an app. Now there's also some other modes. You get general music, you also get active music, and this light responds to sound, so if there's any noise in that, it will actually light up with the noise, so that's pretty cool. So here you can see we've got the manual with some instructions on how it works and what it has and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty easy to follow. It shows you how to set up the app, it shows you how the remote works and all of that good stuff that a manual has. Putting that aside, we've got the remote with lots of little buttons. We've got a brightness up and down button, it's got a few colors, and when you remove that little plastic tab, the remote becomes active. So you've got quite a few options there as well. Looking at the plug, it's a UK plug, and that connects directly to the light. That powers the light like a plug should do, so yeah. And then looking at the light itself, you can see the cable comes with the connector for the plug, as well as this little device where it's got a button to switch it on and off and everything like that. And it also comes with a bit of 3M tape, so you can stick that to the side of the cabinet or a wall. So looking closer at the light, you can see it comes with the LED strip inside a glass tube, and that's all sealed up, so it is waterproof, so that can be submerged. You can put it underneath the tank in the sand, right at the bottom. You can put it at the top, and you'll see where I've placed mine, it's near the top, so it radiates the light down all over the tank and over the fish and lights and everything like that, and it works really well. So looking at the light, it's pretty sturdy, it's well made, it feels quite strong, nothing flimsy about it, and it looks pretty good. So what I'll do is I'll get it set up with the plug so I can show you some of the functionality of it and how it works. So I've plugged it in now into the wall, as you can see, and the different modes come on. You've got a flashing mode. I'm not sure why that would be necessary in a tank. I guess it would scare the fish with this light flickering and flashing in strobe mode. But anyway, that's an option that you can have over there. You've also got brightness levels and then cycling through the different colors, as you can see. So the remote's pretty responsive and it works well. You can see the light's really bright as well, and it looks good. The colors are very bright and vibrant, and once it's in the tank, it really makes it look quite different from the pure white light that you usually have. Like I said earlier, the light works with sound activation, so you can see here I'm tapping and clicking my fingers and that, and as it picks up the sound, it actually flickers like that. So if it's near a TV or picks up any speaker sound or any noises that are going on, the light will flicker. Again, I'm not sure if you'd really use that in an aquarium with the fish. It might scare them with this flashing light going off and explosions or whatever going on with a TV. But yeah, that's an option, and if you want to use it, it's available. The light comes with an app, so in the manual there is a QR code. You scan that with your phone's camera, and then it will prompt you to download that from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. So you can do that, choose your device, download the app, and that's called Happy Lighting, so that's quite appropriate because I'm assuming watching the fish with the cool lights will make you happy, so Happy Lights. Anyway, so once that's downloaded, you set it up, and you can then have all the functionality of changing the lights. You can have fading in, you can run it with music, like I said before, where it reacts with sound. You can set permanent colors, you can change the brightness. It's really responsive, and I will show you that now once the app has finished downloading and setting up. So now that the app is downloaded and open, you can see how that looks over here. So you can have a background and things like that in the options, and it also picks up the device, which is this light, as you can see on the screen. So that's the one that's selected, and then when you start playing around, you can just see, you just move your finger around the lighting colors on the wheel, and that will then change the light to the light color that you're selecting on the screen. And you can see it's really responsive, it's very quick, and you can change the brightness up and down. You've got preset colors at the bottom. You've also got the fading as well as music options and things like that. So it's really good. It gives you a lot of options. And if you don't want to use your phone, you've also got the remote where you can do all the same stuff. So it's really cool. It works pretty well, and I'll get that set up in a tank now, and then I will display that and show you guys what it looks like. So here we have the tank set up with the light at the top like I explained earlier, and this time I am using the remote to control it. Again, really responsive, really quick, changing the colors. It looks pretty cool. You can change the brightness. I'm filming from below so you can look up to the light so you can see what it looks like, but standing back it lights up the tank quite nicely, and in the evenings it actually looks really cool. And you can see the brightness is pretty bright, so depending on how bright you want it, and it can go down quite low as well. You can also set timers for this light using the app, which is pretty cool as well, and I'm pretty impressed with it. It works well. I've had it for probably a month now, haven't had any problems. It's still responsive, it works nicely. I just use it with a fading option, the fade 3 option, and it just slowly fades in and out all the colors randomly. And I've also got another LED within the lid that's pure white, and that also comes on, and it works great. I'm enjoying it. Seems like the fish are enjoying it. I haven't lost any fish, and yeah, it works well. So if you guys are looking for an aquarium light that you can control via a remote or your phone, this is the light to do it. It retails for about 15 to 20 pounds on Amazon, and I hope you enjoyed the review, and I hope you guys would consider subscribing to check out some more reviews coming soon of other products for the home that you might like. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you again. Cheers.